There is no shortcut to success. There is no magic to achievement. It is really about hard work, choices, and persistence. And I really believe there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Hi, I'm Natasha Gogna, Managing Partner of Shri Krishna International, and this is our success story with Alibaba.com. We were supplying goods in large quantities to the domestic traders who were further exporting, but then later we thought of exporting directly. We used to go to trade shows and exhibitions. We used to spend in lakhs, but still couldn't get more than 30 to 40 queries at once. We wanted to increase our growth, but at the same time, we wanted a cost-effective solution, and that is how we were introduced to Alibaba.com. Now, we get 12 to 15 queries on daily basis from around the world by investing 1/6 of the trade show's cost on Alibaba.com's Gold membership. Today, we export our products to over 15 countries like the US, the various countries of Europe, and the Middle East. 50% of our business is generated through Alibaba.com. It is like sitting at one place and conducting our business all over the globe. Our business has become 3 times than what it was when we started. During the pandemic, while India was in the lockdown, other countries had opened up. We were receiving all our orders from our customers abroad. This is the advantage of having a digital export business. You're never closed even during the lockdowns. While working with Alibaba.com, we get to use features such as RFQ or request for quotation, which is a buying request submitted by a buyer and open to suppliers with various trust options available to them. Trust is the most important factor, which is assured by the seller star rating system. It is a dynamic rating system which reflects your performance on a monthly basis, like number of products posted, quality of products, response rate. The best part is that it recommends where your star rating is falling so you can improve. Alibaba.com has changed the growth curve of my business. It all started with a small room of 5 to 10 people and has now grown to a family of 120 members. Looking forward to many more years of partnership with a perfect business partner. Go export with Alibaba.com.